Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, and also you are enjoying your holidays. Alright, so children, today we are going to learn cursive writing. Okay, आज हम क्या सीखेंगे? Cursive writing. Alright, and I will teach you how to write cursive letter. Okay. So, first of all, we will take only 5 letters, okay? A, B, C, D and E, okay? I will teach you how to write A to E in cursive, okay? हम cursive writing में A to E कैसे लिखेंगे? आज हम ये सीखेंगे, alright? So, now let's start. Take out your English notebook and start write with me. Okay, so children, first of all, you have to open your notebook, English notebook, this one, okay? And take out your pencil, eraser, alright? Now, let's start. First of all, we will write here cursive writing, okay? C-U-R-S-I-V-E, cursive writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing, cursive writing. Okay, now start with ma'am. Alright, first of all, we will write letter A. Okay, letter A. Look carefully, okay? Letter A. Capital A, small a. Again, capital A in cursive, small a. Alright? Again, capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. Like this. Okay, children? You have to write like this. Capital and small a together, and you have to practice at least 5 पेज. Okay? आपको 5 पेज में practice करना है. Capital small a. Alright? Okay, now next letter is B. How to write? Up to down and this one. Now small b. Write this. Okay? We have to write like this. Again, capital B up to down and to curve. Small b like this. Don't be confused, okay? Again, capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. Look at here carefully, okay children? Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. Okay? Alright. Now we will take next letter, letter C. Next letter is capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. Okay children, you have to do like this. Cursive C, capital and small. Now we will take next letter is D. So write down here D. Capital D, small d. Capital G, small d. Capital D, small d. Okay? Again, capital D, small d. This is cursive writing. Okay, children? Do like this. Here. Okay? Now, we will take next letter. Okay. So, next letter is letter E. Okay, children? Letter E. Do like ma'am. Capital E, small e. Okay, do like this. Capital E, small e. Capital E, small e. Do like this. Okay, capital E, small e. Capital E, small e. Okay children, so this is cursive writing A to E. A, B, C, D, E. You have to practice it at your home. Okay, आपको इसकी practice करनी है घर में. Now children, I will show you how to write again A to E. Look at carefully. Okay, do like ma'am. Okay, ma'am की तरह लिखना है आपको. So this is 4 line. We have to cover 3 lines. Okay, English में हमें 3 lines cover करनी होती है ना. So here it is. Okay, now do like this, slanting line 2 and this. Capital A, small a. Okay, next letter. Capital B, small b. You have to cover only 3 lines. Okay children, remember that. Capital cursive A, small a. Capital cursive B, small b. Now next letter C. Do like ma'am. Capital C, small c. Okay, next letter is D. Capital cursive D, small d. Do like A, जैसे आपने A बनाया था, but you have to do like this. Okay, D. Same like this. A की तरह है सेम. आपको बस इसकी लाइन जो लेंथ है ये थोड़ा सा आपको स्टैंडिंग लाइन प्रॉपर बनानी है ऊपर तक. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कर्सिव E. कैपिटल small e cursive. Got it? Look at your again children. A, B, C, D, E. You have to practice these 5 letters at your home. Okay, in holidays में आपको ये 5 letters की practice करनी है घर में. Is that clear children? So that's enough for today. Thank you so much.